Hello children, let's move to our next concept of chapter number 1, exercise 11, expanded form and standard form. In this topic you are going to learn how to write a particular number in expanded form and how to write a given number in standard form. So let's first talk about expanded form. I have written the definition over here. When we write the number as the sum of its place value of digits, जब हम किसी नंबर की जब हम किसी नंबर के डिजिट्स की प्लेस वैल्यू को एक सम की तरह लिखते हैं तो उसे हम एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म कहते हैं. राइट, लेट्स हैव अ लुक ऑन दिस एग्जाम्पल. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, दिस इज द नंबर and you need to write this number in expanded form. So for writing the number in expanded form, नंबर को expanded form में लिखने के लिए आपको सबसे पहले एक प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट बनाना है. वंस, टेंस, 100. अब इस प्लेस वैल्यू चार्ट में आपको अपने सभी डिजिट्स प्लेस करने हैं. सो विच डिजिट इज ऑन वंस? 3. विच इज ऑन टेंस? 2. एंड विच इज ऑन 100? 4. राइट, नाउ in our previous lecture we have learnt about finding out the place values. तो अब हमें place values find करनी आती है. So let's start with the place values. पहले हम ones की place value find out करेंगे. So 3 ones. So 3 ones is equal to 3. Now next is 2 tens. So 2 tens is equal to 20. Now 4 is on 100. So 400s are called as 400. 400. So children, as you can see, we have just now find out the place values. So these are the place values of each digit. As I told you, when we write the number as the sum of these place values. So what is the sum of this place value? We'll start from the hundreds first. 400 plus next is 20 plus next is 3. So 423 is equal to this formation. So it's very easy to write in the expanded form. Look at the another example, children. Write in expanded form and the number is 503. So let's start. First of all, we will draw a place value chart and then we will keep all the numbers in their position like this. Okay, now we will find the place value. So 3 ones is equal to 3. So 0 tens is equal to 0. 500s is equal to 500. So now you have found the place values. So let's write the sum of all the place values. So 500 plus 0 plus 3. Right? So first of all we will write the number and then we will write the expanded notation. All right? So let's revise all the steps. So steps 2, write in expanded form. Step number 1, draw a place value chart. Step number 2, put all the digits of the number on their respective places. Step number 3, find the place value of each digit. And step number 4, write the place value with plus sign. Our next question is how to write in short form. Now the expanded form is given to you. You need to write in short forms. It's very easy. Now here what you need to do is you need to write all the digits of the places. So as you can see here, 3 is on ones, 7 is on tens and 1 is on 100 place. Here also in the next example, 200 plus 80 plus 1. You need to write all the digits of the places starting from ones. And this is the answer. It's very easy. So today we have done how to write in short form, how to write in expanded form, and what is the definition of expanded form. Good luck.